Hey guys, today I'm gonna try and change the speakers in this 2012 Mazda Mx5. I'll start with the doors and we'll see how it sounds. So, I bought these Pioneer speakers. They should be plug and play, just perfect fit. So, let's see. If I did my homework right, they should be a perfect fit. So there are 3 screws. So those are removed, and I knew I was gonna break some of the clips, maybe all of them, probably. So I counted on that and I bought some new ones. These are the original speakers, all made of cardboard. They're not that great actually. So I'm gonna try and remove this plastic. I don't know if that's possible, to reuse this shell. So let's see. Yeah, so I think it's just glued on here, so it should be quite easy. Yeah, so that's kind of isolation. There's really not any other isolation, so that's the reason I bought some aftermarket sound isolation as well. Let's see how this will fit. It does. It does match perfectly, as you can see. So the old glue is still usable. So that's perfect. So I bought this, and I'm gonna cut a top piece of it. To put inside the door panel. Let's put some more on top and on the bottom. I'm not going for perfect here, by the way. Just going for better. Okay, so it's pretty clear. There's a white and a yellow cable. On the white cable, there's a black line. And then it's just soldering. Like that. Then be sure the wires are isolated. Like so. Okay. And this one is ready to go in. And that's really all there is to it. So this cable, there's a nice little gap for the cable. Okay, so that's that. Looks pretty great to me. I bought these ones from a local part shop. As you can see, some of them are still intact. Okay, so that's all of them. Let's try the speaker first before I put this back on. Alright. Mount the tweeter back in. Make sure the door handle is back in place. Alright, so repeat the same on the other side and you should have a really nice sounding Miata